So, hi guys, I'm Shilpa Naskar, and I'm gonna introduce myself as a new YouTuber or new, blogger, something. And I'm gonna start off with skincare videos. So, basically, generally, I have no zero knowledge about skincare videos and etc. So this is my first video and I'm really quite nervous. So in my first video I'm gonna show you my skincare routine, basically my night skincare routine which I currently follow. So here it starts. So the first in product that I use is this one. You can see Revitalift from L'Oreal, and this is a crystal micro essence, and I have been using it since like 2 months or something, and it has really improved the texture of my skin. I feel it hydrates my skin from within. There have been times like I have used only this product and I just went off to bed, but this has really helped me like in bringing that hydration out of my skin. So yeah, this is the first product which I use, of course, after cleaning my face, after washing, cleansing it and scrubbing, whatever you do in your night skincare routine. And then there's a new product which I'm going to introduce. This is Honest Choice Vitamin C Serum. This is kind of, I saw this product on Amazon and I got very good reviews about it. So this is a vitamin C serum with 0.2% retinol and hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and aloe vera. So I cannot say that this serum is like too good kind of thing, but yeah, it has worked for me. I feel it has actively worked to reduce some of my dark spots and blemishes. You can see my skin right now. I have literally no makeup in my skin and like just a lip balm on and nothing. I have bare skin right now. So yeah, I would say that this really has helped my skin in bringing out the glow, fading out those blemishes and blurring those pores maybe. And then I start with my go-to-go hydration product is Mamaearth aloe vera gel. This gel, oh my god, this is a boon for me. I really like it. Like, it is very hydrating. It contains vitamin E. I sometimes apply it into my hair as well. And this is the paired product with it, Dabur Gulabari Rose Water. So I kind of mix both of them and then I apply it on my face, like I just dab it and there's the hydration on my face. And I really love the afterglow it gets. The morning when I wake up, I get the hydrated skin, the glowing skin. I have to use almost nothing after using these two products. Okay, so these are very good, very nice. So now I have a new product in my list, which is an essential oil from Soulflower, which is lemon essential oil, and I'm really loving it in terms of the glow that it gives to my skin, the brightening effect it gives. But I would recommend you to have a patch test done before you use it, because this is very concentrated, and like as soon as you apply it on your skin, it would start burning, like literally. I felt it like when I used it with aloe vera gel or some moisturizing cream. Like I teamed it up with this Vaseline moisturizing cream. It's a very basic moisturizing cream and very thick as well, but still it gave me a burning sensation. So it's better to have a patch test done before you use it, but it's really really good essential oil. I used it for my fungal acne which I had over here and there. It really helped me remove those, and you can see the glow on my skin. It's like, I love it. Like, using just an essential oil can give this much amount of glow, then I think you should really go for it. um and of course, I love to hydrate my skin. I love to moisturize my skin with oils because I have really dry skin. So I need my skin to be coated with oils and all, so I love it. So my best and favorite oil is castor oil. Yeah, castor oil is really good for skin. So this is castor oil from Rain Naturals. This is really a very good castor oil, and like, it really hydrates my skin other than my hair as well. So for hair I'll do a separate video. And this is another oil which is hibiscus oil. This is particularly for hair, but I use it on my skin as well sometimes, when I feel that my skin is dull and it needs some glow and some moisturization. So I use this hibiscus oil. And yeah, of course, there is vitamin E capsules which I use most of the times. It really helps me in moisturizing my skin. So basically what I feel is, like, for your skincare, the most important thing you need is moisturization and cleansing. So as you moisturize, and yeah, other than moisturization, I think there are a lot of things which is important for your skin, which of course I'll be discussing in my other videos. So till that time, bye bye, I'll meet you soon. Hope you like my content, and till next time, bye bye, and take care and stay safe.